Storing non-website data like codes and notes securely can seem tricky, but it's essential for keeping your sensitive information safe. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to store your codes, notes, and other important data without compromising your privacy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to protect these details and why it's so important to use a secure method. Let's dive right into it. First, why should you store your data securely? Simple. Codes, passwords, and notes are highly sensitive. If someone gains access to them, they could potentially access your accounts, personal information, or financial data. Keeping this information safe is crucial for your privacy and security. Now, there are many ways you could store this kind of data, but you need to be careful about which tools you use. While it might seem convenient to write codes or notes on your phone's default note app or store them in a basic text document, these methods don't offer much in terms of security. If your phone or computer is compromised, all your data could be exposed. So what's the best way to do it? First off, we need to use secure encrypted software to protect the information. I've tried several popular options out there, and after testing, I recommend using software specifically designed for encrypted storage. This software encrypts your data, so even if someone gains access to your device, they won't be able to read your notes or codes. The software we'll be using in this video offers end-to-end encryption. This means your data is locked and only accessible with your unique passcode or key. No one can break into your data unless they have the correct key. It's a straightforward process, and you'll see how easy it is to set up. Here's how you do it. First, download and install the software. I've included a special link to a free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel, so check the description if you want to follow along. Once installed, open the software and create a new vault or storage container where you'll keep all your sensitive data. This is where you can store your codes, notes, and anything else that needs to stay private. Next, add your data into the vault. For codes or notes, simply create a new file inside the vault, type them out, and save. The beauty of this is that everything inside your vault is automatically encrypted, so you don't have to do any extra work. Finally, remember to use a strong password. If your vault is protected by a weak password, it's essentially not secure. Make sure it's a unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you're not sure what to use, you can also enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Key takeaway: securely storing non-website data like codes and notes is all about using encrypted storage software. Don't rely on unsecured apps or text files that could be vulnerable to hacking. With encrypted storage, your data is locked down and only accessible to you. To quickly recap, the steps are: 1. Download secure encrypted software, link in the description for your free trial. 2. Create a vault for storing your data. 3. Add your codes or notes inside the vault. 4. Use a strong password and consider adding two-factor authentication. And remember, this software I'm using in the video offers a free trial exclusively for you, so don't miss out. Check out the description for the link. Thanks for watching, and take action now to secure your data.